Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 1.1 of chapter 1, which is integers. Before start the question, just remember few points. That is called numbered lines. So what is numbered line? It is a line where somewhere 0 is there. Okay. If we will go right side of this 0, so it will increase by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. The number will increase if we will go right side. Now from 0, if we will go left side, so it will decrease by -1. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, and this side also. Okay, that means right side is positive value and left side is negative value. Okay, also if we will go right side, the value will increase. Okay, and if we will go left side, the value will decrease. Okay, example, how it will decrease. Like if someone will ask you, -1 is greater than or less than -4. So as I told you, the value is decreasing if we will go left side. So -4 is here, -1 is here. So -1 is greater than -4 because this side it's going this left side, so it is decreasing. So -1 is greater than -4. Okay. Another example, -5 and -2. Okay. Now in this condition, -5 this side and -2 is nearby. You can say nearby 0. So which is nearby 0? That is bigger. So nearby 0 is 2. So -2 is bigger than -5. Also there is one more trick to remember, like here see 1 and 4. So plus and 1 and plus 4. Which one is greater? 4 is greater. Correct? So 1 is lesser than 4. So if we will use minus, so -1, so this sign will be opposite. So -1 will be less, -1 will be greater than -4. This sign will be opposite. Here 1 is less than 4. So -1 will be greater than -4. Same as this. Okay. Same for 5 and 2. Here you can see 5 is greater than 2. So if we will make minus, so -1 will be lesser than -2. Okay. Hope it's clear for you. Now let's start the exercise. What is question number 1? Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So let me draw just half, not full. This is 0, -5, this is 10, this is 5 and so on. Okay, so A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, like here Lahul Spiti, here it is Srinagar. So you have to find the temperature at each places. Okay, so first one is, let me write Lahul Spiti. So what is the temperature here? See, this is -5, then -6, then -7, then -8. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8. Okay, now next is Srinagar. Srinagar. Where is Srinagar? Srinagar is here. So 0, -1, then -2. So Srinagar temperature is -2. Okay. Next is Shimla. Shimla is where? On 5th. So here you can directly say temperature is 5 degree Celsius. Okay. Next is Ooty. Ooty you can see from the graph before 15 means 14. And the last one, Bengaluru. Bengaluru also 20, then next 21, then 22. So Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. Okay, so according to that line, you can find out the temperature of each places. Okay, now B. What is B? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So in this, what is the hottest? First one is hottest. So which one is hottest place? You can see this Bengaluru is hottest place. So this is 22. And the coldest place. Which one is coldest place? This side is more colder. That means you can see -8. Correct? So this is the -8 is more coldest. Now we have to find the difference. So to find the difference, what we have to do? Like what is the difference between 5 and 2? So we are doing 5 minus 2. That means 3. So 3 is the difference. 3 means 5. The difference of 5 and 2 is 3. Okay. So how to find the difference? So difference equals to what we are doing? Greater value minus less value. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. 5 minus 2. 3. So here which one is greater? 22. Then minus, and the coldest place is -8. Okay. Now this minus and minus plus. We have to remember these things. Minus minus will become plus. Plus plus will become plus. Plus minus will become minus. And minus plus will become minus. Means if the sign is same, so it will be plus. Here also if this is both are plus, so the result is plus. If the sign is different, like one is plus, one is minus, so result will be minus. And if it is minus and it is plus, so again it will be minus. So you have to remember these 4 points. Okay. So now here minus minus plus. So 24 plus 8. That means 30. Okay. So 30 is the difference between the hottest and the coldest places. Okay. Now the C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Again difference we have to find out. Okay. So Lahul Spiti is -8 and Srinagar is what? Srinagar is -2. Srinagar is -2 and Lahul Spiti is -8. Correct? So one is -2 and one is -8. Now how we are calculating difference? Greater number minus less number. So which one is greater? Here you can see -2 is nearby 0. So -2 is greater. So how we will find difference? So difference equals to -2 minus -8. Correct? We have to use minus sign. So minus then -8. Again -2 minus minus plus this 8. Okay. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Okay. Now the fourth one, D. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Srinagar is -2. Taken together means what? We have to add these two temperature. Means Srinagar is -2 and what? Shimla. So plus 5. So what is -2 plus 5? 5 minus 2 is what? 3. You can also write 5 minus 2, right? Or -5 plus -2 plus 5. Both are same. Correct? So 5 minus 2 is 3. So can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together means 3 degree is less than the temperature at Shimla? What is the temperature at Shimla? 5. So is 3 is less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So yes, we can say that if we will take together Srinagar and Shimla temperature, so it is less than the temperature at Shimla. So you have to write down that statement. Okay. Next, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? -2. So is -2 is less than what? This 3 is -2 is less than 3. Is it also it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Sorry, Srinagar is -2 and this is 3. So -2 and this is 3. So is -2 is less than 3? Yeah. This is not the equation. This is it is asking, is it also less than, means it what? They are asking about this 3 is less than the temperature at Srinagar. What is the Srinagar temperature? -2. So is 3 is less than -2? No. So we can say no, it is not, means the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, if we will take together, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. So you have to write the statement. Hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt in this exercise or in this question, so you just write your comment in the comment section. Also like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.